So that's 112 consecutive days, which is every day is a new milestone, right? A new accomplishment. And so we know how important words are, and that words carry weight. And you know, the the lore is that the reason we call it spelling is because spell means to you know basically cast. When you're using words, you're casting a spell. You're making magic. um if we look at it from that lens, then words are really fucking important, right? And if you look at it from the lens of like semantics, um there's this field of information that's moving through us all the time, and we have almost infinite choices at any given moment. And then as soon as we concretize an idea into words, we've brought this kind of infinite amount of information down into a finite um, idea. So what that brings me to is thinking about words like divine and spiritual. There's a lot of other words I could be bringing up, but because of the nature of the work that I do and the communities, let's say, and people that are sort of attracted to the genre of, you could call it self-help or uh, healing work or, a lot of different things. But spirituality and divinity are brought in a lot. A lot. And that's okay. Here's the deal. What does anyone mean? This is when we're getting into semantics, right? What does anyone mean by those words? What is it that you actually mean when you say something is spiritual or something is divine or something isn't? Because that's what, if you're not saying it directly, that's what you're saying indirectly, right? Is there's something that is spiritual or there's something that's divine, and then that means there's something that isn't that, right? um so really, like, it's really important to know why you're saying those words, what that means to you, especially as we get into any kind of deeper um, discussions, any kind of deeper meanings and understandings. And when we get into those places where we are actually kind of co-creators of our lives and wanting to um, make a difference in the world, be the change that you wish to see in the world. So, so often in the spiritual worlds, right? And communities, these words are not really thought out, and they become, if not overtly, at least um, covertly or implicitly divisive and dismissive and weaponized. You know, um, they become exactly the opposite of what I feel a word like spiritual or divine would mean, which would mean unity, bringing things together. If there is a concept of spirituality, it is about bringing something together. Yoga means bringing together, unity, yoking together, and that understanding of we are not really separate. Namaste means I see, right, the divine in you and the mirror of the divine that's in me. We are, I'm seeing myself in you. And so this is, I bring this up because I hear it a lot. I even get called a spiritual person, or that some of the things that I'm doing are spiritual practices. And um, I have largely removed those words from my lexicon, from the way that I express the work that I'm doing, or even what's going on in my own personal life, because either the way that I'm sort of couching it, either everything is spiritual or nothing is spiritual. Either everything is divine or nothing is divine. Because if we really believe or feel or understand that we are all coming from the same place and we're all going back to the same place, or we are all part of the same energetic, the same earth, the same material, 0 point energy, whatever you want to call it, then whatever manifests here in we call it the physical world, if you will, then this um, carnate expression. See, there's just so many ways to talk about this stuff. Um, then all of it is the good, the bad, and the ugly. It's all there. So I won't say that, it's just bullshit, even though a lot of times I feel that way, but really, really, really just encouraging anybody to, you, myself, anybody to um, make that inquiry. Like, what do I actually mean by this? What do I mean by saying something is spiritual or something is divine? And what is not that actually? That's what I wanted to say today. Eric, you are the man. You're here. If there's anything you want to say, jump on in.
Good Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
So I totally agree about spiritual. I think most of it is spiritual bypass, and it's just something to maybe self elevate or self separate.
Yeah.
Divine, I don't agree with you there. My imagine, and I know you're calling me out. I'm always mention the divine in here. So anyway, whether you're
No,
calling me
no,
out
this
or
is
not.
definitely not you specifically, and I don't recall at the time when you said
Well,
that, but
I I don't see divine as separation. I see divine as unity.
exactly.
Yeah.
That's my point. If
Well,
that's the way,
but you were saying that divine also has includes separation.
no, I was saying either everything is divine or nothing is divine.
Oh
That's
yeah. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
and
Okay.
that if we can use these words as a thing of unity,
Right.
you know, I see the divine in you, I see myself in you,
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
and that's yeah, absolutely. No,
All right.
it's just yes, I don't I yeah, exactly. Good. I'm glad you
Okay.
got that got that clarified, 'cause, yeah, we don't want to just move from one conditioned response and then just throw another word on top, some other kind of cloak on top of it and still keep doing the same thing, which is separation, right?
Yep,
That's
yep,
that's the
yeah.
that's the thing that is killing the world, is this idea that somehow or another we're all separate. Yeah.
Well, it's probably also part of the underlying pain of the world, you know?
There's a lot of that.
Yeah.
Suffering's a real thing.
So if everybody could sit down and have a cup of tea, a cup of unity,
Mhm.
or all go into the woods and smoke a fatty.
Whatever it takes. Psychedelics, sexual
Yeah,
expression,
yeah, yeah,
but
yeah,
with that intentionality, not
yeah,
as a way of escaping, but as a way of creating more cohesiveness and understanding of our unity.
yeah, yeah.
All right, brother.
All right.
Love you.
Love you too, and have a great one.
All right. We will.